A is for
Amy need coffee. Want caffeine.
B is for C is for
Come on, Parker, eat her alive!
D is for
Diabetes stinks!
E is for
Eric is a frickin' cutie. He is a cutie patootie.
F is for
There, Patty, no!
G is for
Genie in a bottle, because you're making wishes come true.
H is for
Somebody!
I is for
I'm like a hatchback. You can always cram more in me.
J is for
Jerry, Jonah made me seduce a man.
K is for
Catch your packets.
L is for
Less is more. Nothing is best.
M is for
Making men feel better is not my job.
N is for
No apologies, Amy. You are a boss bitch, and your career is your baby.
O is for
Oh my god, I made it!
P is for
Paul Bunyan can suck it.
Q. Q is for
Shh, quiet. And we only talk if it's completely necessary.
R is for
Ride it. Come on, ride it, you tease.
S is for
I want it in my raw water.
T is for
Tay-Tay and Teen Teen, the slut squad.
U is for
Uncle Phil is on the move. I repeat, Uncle Phil is on the move.
V is for
And have her first impression of us be Veruca Salt barking out orders. But Daddy, I want health insurance now.
W is for
Who are you? A couple of chumps from the town dump?
X is for
Holy
Y is for
Your mouth is entirely full of kale.
Z is for
Zephyra is compatible with everything. We do not question Zephyra. All hail Zephyra.